Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce correctly this specific word, which is used to describe the most typical type of Italian coffee. This is pronounced espresso. 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 Now note please that there is no X, so it's not pronounced espresso. That is incorrect. Espresso is the correct pronunciation. Double S, so the sound is longer or stronger, if you prefer to think of it that way. The R is slightly trilled, but you don't have to exaggerate it and turn it into espresso. No one says it that way. Espresso. Now, with that being said, now that you know how to pronounce it, make sure you don't use it. What I mean by that is that if you go to Italy and you go into a cafe, what Italians call bar, and you want to order a coffee, rather than saying un espresso per favore, just say un caffè per favore. Caffè meaning the word for coffee in Italian, because here's the thing, espresso is the default in Italy. That is what a coffee is. So you don't really need to specify it, and most Italians don't. Now, would a barista understand you if you say un espresso per favore? Of course, he will. But if you want to sound more authentic, you can just say un caffè per favore. If you want to talk about coffee, meaning the concentrated coffee made by forcing hot pressurized water through finely ground coffee, like if you want to discuss all of that, the rich, intense foam, whatever, then yeah, you can use the word espresso, un caffè espresso, but when you're ordering it, un caffè. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.